Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Logseq to take amazing notes. Logseq is a great note-taking application. When you download, install, and open it the first time, you'll be presented with a demo. You can type stuff here, but this won't be saved. We must choose a location to save files. To do that, click this Add a Graph button and then choose a folder. A graph in Logseq is your project, so we are creating a new project. I'm going to select this folder. Once a project is created, whatever you insert now will be saved. Let's go to my main Logseq program. This is how it looks. To the left is the navigation sidebar. This button will open the right sidebar that allows you to add page contents and see its graph. The settings are also in this menu. You can activate the dark mode from here. Many other options are visible, but I don't think you need to change anything. To add a new page, click this Create button, then select Page. This will ask you to set its title. We'll also see if a duplicate page exists and where the part of the page is linked. Click the New Page option to create it. You can also create a new graph/project by clicking the top left Logseq button. Now, Logseq is a Markdown language program. You don't have any quick options to bold, italicize, underline, add headings, etc. But we can use Markdown syntax. You can still use the Ctrl+P shortcut to bold text. But to underline, italicize, and other edits, there are some commands that you can use. Logseq also supports linking to other pages. This is called backlinking, and you'll use the double large brackets and type the page title inside to link it. If a page with the same name exists, it'll be linked. If not, the link will be created, and you can add the page later by clicking on it or creating a new page as we do. Also, on every page, you'll see the linked and unlinked references. Linked references are where this page is linked from, and unlinked references are those where this page is mentioned but not linked. As you add some lines, you'll see that on every line there's a bullet point. This is because Logseq is a block-based app and every line is treated as a block. You can continue the same block on a new line by pressing Shift+Enter keys. Because of this functionality, Logseq creates a task hierarchy. For example, if you write down something, you can go to the next line, press the Tab key, and enter information related to the above block. You can go as deep as you like. When you have enough sub-blocks, you can click on the bullet point to open a separate page and see the navigation and block contents. In order to attach an image, you simply drag and drop it. It will show the image screen, but clicking outside will display the image. In the same way, you can attach other file types. Let's say I want to attach this zip file. I can just drag and drop it. The supported files are opened in Logseq, and unsupported ones will open in the default application. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.